Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at how to use the Avada email field element. By the end of this video you'll understand all the options in the element and when and how to use it effectively in forms. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with all new Avada videos. Alright, let's dive in. The Avada email field element is of course a field element for users to add an email address into a form. I have a reservation form here imported from Avada Studio, and I'll just add an email field element to it. I'll just make room by changing this column to 1/2, and I will add a half column after the phone number. Now we can add the email field element to that. The first option is field label. This displays above the field. I'll just call this email address. Note how as I tab away it auto-populates the next option, field name. This is the internal identifier used by the system, and is what you'll see in submissions, email notifications, and other integrations. A descriptive field name here helps you organize and use the collected data efficiently. You can of course change this to whatever you want, but I like to standardize my field name so I know what to use in email notifications. Then there's an option called field value. This lets you pre-fill the option with a default value when the form loads. Users can edit this value as needed. This is useful when you want to provide a suggested answer, instructions, or any text the user can modify. As the description says, usually this should be empty and a placeholder used instead. Required field is the next option, and this would generally be enabled for an email field. Setting this to yes adds another option called empty input notice. With this you can enter a text validation notice that will display if data input is empty. Placeholder text comes after this and allows you to provide a hint or example inside the field itself. Unlike the field label, the placeholder disappears as soon as the user starts typing, serving as field guidance without taking up any extra space. This is sometimes used instead of a field label. Tooltip text is next, and if you want you can add a tooltip for the field, which displays when you mouse over the added question mark. Input field icon comes next, and this allows you to add an icon to the start of the field. I'll search for email here, and add this one so that the field matches the others. After this comes autocomplete tokens. With this you can select an autocomplete detailed token. It's off by default, which means that the browser is not permitted to automatically enter or select a value for this field. Here, if you wanted to use one, it would make sense to use the email autocomplete token, as that's what the user would be entering. Then comes custom pattern. With this you can enter an allowed input pattern. For example, an input pattern for email looks like this. This forces the user to add content using the correct format for an email address. In most cases this wouldn't be necessary. The next option is input must match. As the description says, here you can enter a field name for the same form. If set, the form will only be sent if the field values match. This would be good to use to confirm an email address. After that there's tab index, which controls the field's order in keyboard navigation, which is useful for accessibility and prompting users to tab through fields in a logical sequence. And under this are the CSS class and CSSOD options for further customization with CSS if you need a unique look or behavior. Finally, there is the conditionals tab, where you can add conditional logic to the element. Okay, that's the email field element, one of the most common and important field elements in virtually any form. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more Avada tutorials and deep dives. And if you have any questions or need help, feel free to create a support ticket. Our team is always ready to help. As always, thank you for choosing Avada.